Peeps. Peeps. Marshmallow. Party cake. They're party cake flavored. Peeps. There's 10 chicks. Alright, well, we got these at Walmart, and they are in their little Easter section. Man, make the Peeps so hard. So difficult. Let's see first. Are they gonna taste like party cake, or are they just gonna taste like Peeps? Look at how cute.
Oh, they're cute.
Is anybody interested?
Well, he's attacking me.
Hey, no attacking your mother. Party cake Peeps. Let's read nutritional value. How are we
They
gonna?
look fun.
They are fun.
Oh, look at all that.
How lovely.
That's exciting.
Was there a marshmallow?
Thank
They're
you.
marshmallowy.
Thank you.
They weren't very expensive. I don't remember how much they cost. Like in the Easter section.
You ready?
Look at the colors.
They're pretty and festive.
Party cake. Okay, let's try them. There's that crunchy sugar coating.
They're better than a normal beef.
I get the party cake part.
Very sweet.
Wow. Tastes like a peep. There's a little bit of party cake in it.
I also
Yeah.
wouldn't eat these, but they're better than normal beefs.
Yeah, they are. Wouldn't it be fun, like that show, how it's made? To see how peeps are made?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it's like extruded on there in a certain way. I mean, if you take off the eyes, it just looks like nothing. But you put those little eyeballs on there, and it looks like
It's
a chick.
It's a little chick now.
They're also uniform too. Well, what do you think, everybody?
Really sweet.
I don't like them.
They're too sweet.
They're peeps.
Now, if they had
Yeah,
like
I know.
a coffee flavor,
No.
less sugar, that'd be good.
They taste just
yeah.
like a regular pea.
You know, they also had,
A little bit, yeah.
didn't they have a Dr. Pepper flavored one?
I think they did.
And then they had like
The chocolate pudding.
They had hot tamales.
hot tamales, chocolate pudding. Yeah, the chocolate pudding. Didn't they? Oh, they had one that had like chocolate on the bottom, like a coating of chocolate on the bottom too.
Oh.
Well, that was fun.
What a great review.
You're gonna be bouncing off the walls in a minute.
Yeah.
We really outdid ourselves this time. Party cake Peeps. They taste like Peeps. Man,
It's
a
for Easter.
hint of party cake, I guess. The kids will probably like them.
Yeah.
Put them in their Easter basket.
Yeah, they would like that.
If you do that sort of thing. Not to offend anybody. PoorGuy, Don, Tori, Aiden, review crew. That's it.
Short and sweet.
Mhm.
Sweet, get it?
Peace.